Hi friends, I found Tiny Turtle and named him Tony, Tony the Turtle, and he comes with a little water lily but no home, and I thought maybe I could build one for him. This is Tony's new home, an ocean built just for him. Up here he swims at the surface, enjoying the sunshine and blue sky. A few soft clouds drift above, and of course he keeps his little water lily close to him. But Tony doesn't stay at the surface for long. Once he's finished enjoying the sunshine, he takes a deep breath and dives below. Down here, the ocean feels different. The water is deep and quiet. Sharks glide past. The sand is crystal clear, and hidden treasures rest on the ocean floor. This is where Tony explores. And now that you've seen Tony's world, let's build Tony the Turtle himself. I always feel excited opening the box to find out how many packets are in there. Looks like only 2 packets in here, and how interesting, they are not numbered. This is the first time I see that. This set consists only of 124 pieces. It will take me less than 5 minutes to build it. I'm starting my build with little water lily. As bags were not numbered, I just opened both and mixed all the pieces together. I like light pink Lego pieces. They make the floral petals look so nice. Well, I'm already on next step, building the turtle. When the set came out, I wasn't sure, is it gonna be a big turtle, medium turtle, small, very small? I kind of look forward to find out how it'll turn out in the end. So far, by looking at its size, I think he's going to be actually medium. He's certainly not tiny. Oh, look, his little feeties look so cute. It's starting to look like a turtle already. On the next step, building its shell. So far, I'm really enjoying this build. It's very straightforward. Instructions are fairly easy to follow. Despite there are 3 shades of green, it's actually not confusing what pieces am I using at all. It's very straightforward so far. I believe I'm building the right side of the shell. I think the shell comes into the 2 parts. I think I'm building the right side. And once you build the one side of the shell, the other side is exactly the same. One more click and the shell is done. It looks very, very nice. On to the next part, building turtle's head. It looks like it's going to be fairly tiny. I'm wondering what colored eyes he's going to have. Ah, his eyes are blue. I didn't expect his tongue to be green. I kind of was expecting pink tongue. Maybe turtles have green tongues. Who knows? Well, Tony certainly has a green tongue. And there he is, all complete, together with his cute little water lily. I will be back soon with something new.